What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, and today I'm here to show you guys how I make my aloe vera gel at home. So I've been buying this giant leaf from the farmer's market, and I'm sure that they have it at like Walmart and Kroger and stuff like that. But today I'm going to be making a green tea and aloe vera gel. Both ingredients have really good benefits that I'm going to be listing in the description box if you want to read. But I use mine for my hair, to moisturize my hair, and also as like a toner for my face whenever I'm breaking out. So yeah, I'm going to be inviting you guys to my kitchen. But before I get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you'll be alerted every time I post a video. Okay, so here's the aloe vera leaf, and first of all, I want to apologize because I didn't know that my camera was not focused, but I didn't want to throw out any necessary footage. But right now I'm just cutting the aloe vera because you're gonna soak the aloe vera, and that helps remove all of the extra sap because you don't want all that extra stuff in your gel. So you're just gonna soak that for about 30 minutes to an hour. So here you're just gonna grab a piece, and you see these prickly sides, you wanna just cut that off. And then you're gonna split the aloe right down the middle. Here I am cutting like cubes, similar to how I would eat my mango. I just feel like it falls off the bone more easily. Then I just grab a big ice cream scoop or a spoon of some sort, and I just kind of just scrape it all into the bowl. I want to remind you, don't be like me. Please use the cutting board. And I'm not just saying that, but aloe vera gets really slippery. So if you don't ever use a cutting board, now is the time to use a cutting board, because I swear throughout this video, I probably almost cut myself multiple times. Obviously my camera died, but look how much gel I've already gotten out, and I'm not even finished, so you guys can just watch me do the few little pieces that I have left. So now that we're finished cutting all of that up, I'm bringing out my mini blender and also some super concentrated green tea that I boiled earlier. we're basically just going to be blending those together, and that's literally it. You don't want to put too much green tea because it'll kind of dilute the gel and make it too watery. So that's it. I'm storing my aloe vera gel in this mason jar. It looks like a lot, but that's only because it's super frothy when you first blend it. The frost will gradually go away as you let it settle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of how I make my green tea and aloe vera gel at home. If you guys are going to try this gel, comment down below and let me know how it goes. Until next time, bye.